Is your Cash App refusing to connect when you need it most? Let's get you back to seamless transactions in under 90 seconds. First things first, let's tackle the most common culprit: your internet connection. Open your phone settings and ensure Wi-Fi is enabled and strong. Or if you're on cellular data, confirm it's turned on and you have a stable signal. Sometimes toggling airplane mode on and off for about 10 seconds can reset your network and fix a flaky connection. If your network seems solid, the next step is to give the Cash App itself a fresh start. Fully close the app by swiping it away from your recent apps list. Then reopen it. Make sure you're running the most up-to-date version of Cash App by checking your phone's app store for any available updates. An outdated app can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Still no luck? Let's consider server-side issues. While rare, Cash App servers can experience temporary outages. A quick search online for Cash App status can tell you if there's a known problem. If confirmed, patience is key, as the Cash App team is likely already working to resolve it. As a final troubleshooting step, if none of the above work, try restarting your phone completely. This can clear out temporary glitches affecting all your apps. Once your phone is back on, try opening Cash App again for persistent issues. Reaching out to Cash App support directly is your best bet. They can offer personalized assistance.